Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up lower last week with soybeans leading the way to the downside. All higher so far this morning with soybeans leading the way to the upside. Some conflicting information between different weather outlooks and different weather outlook sources that has the markets higher so far this morning. There is some rain forecasted, but again, some conflicting information between different weather models. Not 100% confidence in it right now. So until the rain actually falls, we're adding a little risk premium in the market, and that's why we're seeing soybeans higher so far this morning. We do get crop progress out today. Ratings are expected to decline between 1 to 3% across the board. Seasonally, that's kind of what is expected this time of year. We have had a little bit of drier conditions than we had earlier in the year, and that's also why we're expecting them to fall. As far as that, really not a whole lot of news out this week. The Goldman roll does begin on Thursday, so that's when they'll roll out of September contracts, likely over into December. The previous roll, when they rolled out of July, most typically roll into December, especially in corn, in November in soybeans. So we'll have to see how much rolling is going on, but they do typically do that on the close, and that will begin on Thursday, so keep your eye out for that. Then on the 12th, a week from tomorrow, I believe, we'll get the latest USDA WASDE report, but quiet week. Other than that, not a whole lot going on other than crop progress this week, and then of course export sales on Thursday morning. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we will see you tomorrow morning.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.